So here we go, unboxing. Here you go. Hopefully this will have the all. This is the, by the way, this is the San Martin SN0009BG. And in the box, you see, pull it out. That was it. It's just a small box. So it's the side here, and we'll get this unwrapped. And you get off the top. It's not a really big box, but you get and it's actually pretty nice. You get two tools, and I'll show you this too. This is the difference. I got this. They did send me this. Maybe it was a token. I don't know. For the trouble I had, but I did show this in a short. This is a hang tag, a metal hang tag. It's really nice. I was thought about thinking about putting it on my chain, but San Martin. And here is what you get. That's the hang tag you get. It's a plastic hang tag. This is nice here. This is actually nice. So I may just put this out on display. I don't know if I was hanging on my chain or not. I've never done that before. I don't know if that look good. I may try it because it looks cool. So that's that. So I'm gonna set that right there, and then you get two tools. Bracelet. This is actually metal here, so this is a lot more sturdy than say what you get in Proxima. So this is nice, and then this hang tag is very hard, very thick, very dense. So nice touch. And now next is the watch, and it comes this time around. My first San Martin I got, they were supposed to have sent me this right here, this travel case, which in the box too you get at the bottom. You do get a San Martin user manual. Let me show you this. So it's just telling you about the watch and all how to operate it, and you get a plastic warranty card, San Martin. So this is in the bottom of the box. Put that in there. Put this back in here, and now to the watch. I'll make this quick. I won't keep it long because I'm gonna do a full review once I get it on my wrist and size it and everything. But I just wanted to show it to you. So moment of truth. This is. Ooh. It's really. See right there. Let me pull it out, give you a closer look. This is a homage to the, well, I say it's a semi-homage. San Martin, I've found, like with the MM300 that I got of theirs, was a combination of the LX and the MM300. It was kind of put together, so it was a mixture homage. And this appears to be a mixture type homage. Here we go. Look at that. See how, and this has got a plastic wrap on. I'm gonna take the plastic wrap off, but I'm just letting you see how on my other San Martin, the edges were sharp, and these are rounded off. Here's the clasp. Let's check and see if it's got the on the fly. It does have the on the fly adjustment. That's a nice touch. I gotta get the plastic over here. They do have this thing wrapped up, I will say that. So let me see how this works here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the plastic off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. You definitely would not want to sit through that. You know, edit makes it quick, makes it just like that, but that took a while. So I got the plastic off, and here it is. It's got a lot of really nice polished faceted edges. Let me get that close there. Let's take a look at that. It's got it's just got a blank case back, which is kind of interesting. So real quick, I know this is going to get long, but I want to get this information over to you. The bracelet has been upgraded from the original model. Here's the bracelet up close. You can tell how it's rounded off. It's really nice, nicely finished. Here's the clasp. It's on the fly. And I'm gonna give you the dimensions of this watch, but here's a bezel action. Really nice sounding. It's not a lot of resistance, so it will get knocked easily out of off center. But let's go around. I'm sure you can hear that, because I can hear that very easily. And if it lines up, it does. So, since I haven't memorized most of this, this only comes with an NH. Okay, here's the bad news. Let me just give you the bad news first. I wanted to get this watch originally, and I didn't get a chance to get it when it was first released, and with the SW200, which they offered it, and they also offered it in the PT5000, not the NH35. This time around, it only comes in an NH35, and I was told by San Martin Store official that this piece you cannot put a SW200 in it. You can't put anything in it except an NH35, which is disappointing to me, because I am. I'm gonna do a video pretty soon on the NH35. I'm so done with the NH35. That it's played its course. I'm ready for these brands to move up to at least the model 9015, or do something different, because the NH35 is just. I know it's a workhorse, but it's played its course. It needs something new, something fresh. You know, innovation brings people in. Just change it up. So, this is a beautiful watch. I'm gonna give you. It's 44 millimeters. Let's see, just to get you exact, 120 click. So it's a 22 millimeter lug, tapering down to 18, which is good. This is a great proportional size watch. I'm gonna put it on the wrist in a second. And it's got it's 205 grams with the bracelet, adjustment on the fly adjustment, and then thickness is 13.4, 50.7. So it's going to wear pretty large, and I'll show you. And you can be a judge. That's a really nice looking watch. It's got a boxed and flat sapphire crystal. I think maybe either way it could have been. If this was domed, I would have liked it. I would like it a little bit better. So just to end this down, because it's already 9 minutes long. Am I keeping it? Yes. As long as it's keeping good time. And I'm going to size it up. I'll come back with like a short video to show you it on the wrist sized. It does have push pins. No, it's got screws. It's got screws. You got screws for your links. That's the cool thing. So that's why they put the screwdriver in the bag. And it's got a ceramic bezel. I want to give you some close shots of it. It's pretty thick, 13.4. And you do not have drilled lugs. No drilled lugs on this. So, but I plan to keep the bracelet on, because the bracelet is very nice. As you can see, it articulates very well. It's got male end links. It's got an aggressive Lux type bezel. I like that. So this is a GS Homage, really, and it really looks good. I like it. It's got anti-reflective coating, sapphire crystal, 120 bezel. I recommend it, but from Watch Dives. So thanks for tuning in. Sorry this went long. I just wanted to get all the information out to you. Oh, and like I said, you can only get that. You can't change the movement out. Why they made a watch so it's specifically designed for the NH35, and you cannot change the movement out. You cannot put any other movement in it. I've never heard of that before. Comment below. Let me know if you have. I may just not have known, but I've never heard of a watch being made specifically for one movement, and this watch is. But the original model of this, you could have used, SW200, PT5000, and probably most likely the NH35, maybe, I think. But correct me if I'm wrong, but I just, why would it be just one movement? Which makes me question, is it NH35 in there? If they just, and I was like, that's a bummer. And he came and said, don't check the movement. And I said, I won't. I'm not. If I were to send it back, I would not. But it gave me reason to question it. But nonetheless, I'll time it, see what it keep time. He put it on a time grapper, and it was keeping plus 1 second a day, so that's a good thing. But here it is again, the GS. This looks backwards. I need to flip the thing when I record, when I upload it. But the GS Homage, 44 millimeters. Beautiful watch. Sorry this went long. I usually try to keep them within 7 minutes. If you stay to the end, thank you. Or subscribe. It's been a while since I've seen you guys. Hope all of you are doing well. I've been head deep in the politics watching that, and it's really worn me out. I'm consumed with it right now. So I'll see you soon. Comment below, share, like, subscribe, and good to see you. Peace.